How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1955 Chevrolet 210 done in Tangerine orange and Adobe beige. Super cool car. It's all base coat, clear coat. Had a complete frame off restoration a few years back. See, all the chrome emblems are all new. Bumpers have all been redone. Hood jets like brand new. It's got the stainless grille. Car's nice and flat on the sides. It's got all new tinted glass. It's all smoke tint glass. All the side trim is original side trim in excellent condition. All your tail lights and tail light bezels have all been replaced. Rear bumper looks like new. I like the color combination. A little brighter orange than the factory stuff would have been. Got the dual mirrors. Nice set of vintage American racing wheels on it. We got a 327 in it, approximately 300 horse. It's got Edelbrock 4-barrel carb and intake. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's got power disc brakes, power steering. Nice update aluminum radiator. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. I mean, the car drives and rides great. All the jams look real nice. It's got a nice caramel custom interior in it. Headliner's real nice. I mean, all the seats, original seats, custom upholstered. Got I Did It tilt steering column. Got duals out the back. All inside the trunk is real nice. They did delete the spare tire hole. They moved the rear springs inboard so you could put a little wider tire under the car. All new fuel tank in it. It's like all the dash trim is new. It's radio delete. You can see the AC and heat controls. Actually, I believe it is a Southern Air AC and heat. It's got the front seat belts. Again, it's a 327 700R overdrive trans. Thing fires right up. Got the electric wipers. Okay, it's just a very classic setup. That's a good looking car right there. Just a car you can get in and cruise it, drive it, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Car's just got the classic stance. Have a great day, folks.